welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Mutual fund registration. A mutual fund (MF) is formed when capital collected by various investors is invested in purchasing company shares, stocks, or bonds. Shared by thousands of investors, mutual fund investments are collectively managed by a professional fund manager to earn the highest possible returns. This is how mutual funds work, not only in India but anywhere in the world. What is registration of mutual fund with SEBI? A mutual fund is set up in the form of a trust which has sponsor, trustees, asset management company, AMC and custodian. This trust is established by a sponsor or more than one sponsor who is like promoter of a company. The trustees of the mutual fund hold its property for the benefit of the unit holders. Asset Management Company AMC approved by SEBI manages the funds by making investments in various types of securities. The trustees are vested with the general power of superintendence and direction over AMC. They monitor the performance and compliance of SEBI regulations by the mutual fund. An applicant proposing to sponsor a mutual fund (MF) in India must submit an application in Form A, first schedule of the SEBI Mutual Funds Regulations 1996, hereinafter referred to as the regulations, along with a non-refundable fee of INR 5 lakh. The application is examined, and once the sponsor satisfies the eligibility criteria, it is required to complete the remaining formalities for setting up a MF. These include inter alia executing the trust deed and investment agreement, setting up a trustee company or board of trustees comprising two-thirds independent trustees, incorporating this asset management company AMC, contributing to at least 40% of the net worth of the AMC, and appointing a custodian. Upon satisfying these conditions, the registration certificate is issued subject to the payment of registration fees of INR 25 lakh. Procedure for registering a mutual fund with SEBI. An application for registration of a mutual fund shall be made to the board SEBI in Form AB the sponsor along with the non-refundable fee of INR 5 lakh. Eligibility criteria. The applicant has to fulfill the following criteria for grant of a certificate of registration. The sponsor should have a sound track record and general reputation of fairness and integrity in all his business transactions. Explanation. For the purpose of this clause, sound track record shall mean the sponsor should be carrying on business in financial services for a period of not less than 5 years, and the net worth is positive in all the immediately preceding 5 years, and the net worth in the immediately preceding year is more than the capital contribution of the sponsor is the asset management company, and the sponsor has profits after providing for depreciation, interest and tax in 3 out of the immediately preceding 5 years, including the 5 year. The applicant is a fit and proper person. The sponsor has contributed or contributes at least 40% to the net worth of the asset management company, provided that any person who holds 40% or more of the net worth of an asset management company shall be deemed to be a sponsor and will be required to fulfill the eligibility criteria specified in these regulations. The sponsor of any of its directors or the principal officer to be employed by the mutual fund should not have been guilty of fraud or has not been convicted of an offence involving moral turpitude or has not been found guilty of any economic offence. Appointment of trustees to act as trustees for the mutual fund in accordance with the provisions of the regulations. Appointment of asset management company to manage the mutual fund and operate the scheme of such funds in accordance with the provision of these regulations. Appointment of custodian in order to keep custody of the securities or gold and gold related instrument or other assets of the mutual fund held in terms of these regulations and provide such other custodian services as may be authorized by the trustees. SEBI may register the mutual fund on receipt of all the information and accordingly decide to grant a certificate of registration in Form B subject to the payment of registration fees of INR 25 lakh.